Today we're diving into a hot topic that is shaking up the music world. How is TikTok transforming the way we experience music videos? Should you stick to traditional music videos or embrace shorter, snappier options like YouTube Shorts and TikTok? I got it all covered right here. Remember the days when MTV ruled the music video world and artists poured huge sums into making them? For example, Scream by Michael Jackson and Janet Jackson, released in 1995, holds the records as one of the most expensive music videos ever made, costing jaw-dropping $7 million. It set new standards with groundbreaking special effects and visuals still inspiring artists today. But the times have changed with the YouTube in the picture. Artists are now spending less on music videos because they mainly live on YouTube. So why full-length music videos are struggling? Well, it's because those mini clips can rake up millions of views, while the full videos might sit only at about 50,000. TikTok's impact on the music industry is profound, sparkling viral trends and boosting emerging artists to stardom. Short-form content lets artists experiment freely, leading to captivating clips that grab viewers' attention in seconds. YouTube has been the go-to for music videos for ages, but now YouTube Shorts, their own version of TikTok, is pushing short-form content even harder. Take Noah Khan, for instance. In 2023, he's topping the charts with his song Dial Drunk, relying solely on 15-second clips blowing up on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. I ain't proud of all the punches that I've thrown in the name of someone else. So why is this shift happening? You guessed it right. TikTok is a big reason. It's hooked a whole generation on quick vertical clips, opening new doors for music promotion and discovery. TikTok's content discovery has brought unexpected music comebacks, like Fleetwood Mac's Dreams going viral in 2020 thanks to a user skateboarding video. But hold on, some genres like Latin and hip-hop still value traditional music videos. However, for pop and R&B, especially for emerging artists, music videos might not be great for discovery. So what is my take on all of this? Music videos aren't going anywhere, but you must get smarter about how you're promoting it, how you're filming it, what kind of content you're delivering to your audience, and this is the only way for you to break through. Also, with virtual reality and augmented reality, music videos offer immersive and interactive experience for viewers, which I think might be a new way for music videos to come back. Combine both strategies. Shoot short-form content while filming a music video. This is giving you the best of both worlds. Be creative, experiment, and know your fans. If they love short-form content, stick to it. And make music videos for your focus singles. Keep evolving and finding what works for you. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Talk to you soon.